COVID-19 cases continue to climb in the state. Governor Larry Hogan is adding new restrictions to slow the spread. And this afternoon, he announced an expansion to his mask mandate and a new travel advisory. WMAR 2 News' Ray Strickland joins us now live in Towson. Ray, you had a chance to speak to some folks about the mask mandate, and they're concerned that some folks may not abide by the rules.
Yeah, so Kelly, if you're at a business like where I'm at now with this new mandate, you will be required to wear a mask, but some are concerned and say if people weren't following the rules before, what makes you think people are going to follow them now? They're worried that the governor's message is falling on deaf ears.
Right now, we just don't believe there are any more steps we need to take, but we won't hesitate to take the ones that we believe are necessary.
Starting Friday at 5 p.m., Marylanders older than 5 will be required to wear masks inside all businesses as well as outdoors when social distancing is not possible.
A simple thing like masking keeps us from shutting down businesses and causing unemployment.
Wednesday afternoon, the governor also announced a travel advisory telling Marylanders to avoid going to places that are considered hotspots. States on the list include Florida, Georgia, and Texas.
Things are pretty much out of control in some of these states, and there's no guarantee that we can stop it, but these are steps that could help.
If that's what it takes to keep people safe, that's, safety is more important than, selling beers and cheeseburgers and stuff like that.
Nick Zahersky is the general manager of Charles Village Pub in Towson. He says he doesn't think the new restrictions will have an impact on business, but he says the restaurant does plan on enforcing it at all times.
Will it be somewhat inconvenient? Sure, but the more the general public understands the rules, then we don't have to play babysitter.
Many Marylanders like Gordon agree with the governor's decision.
I think going to another strict lockdown would probably be the worst thing, both economically and socially. So I really think that if this is what we have to do to avoid that, then yeah, it's smart.
I think it's good. I think it's unfortunate that he has to make a mandate.
But as much as Marilyn Healy supports a mandate, she's also one of the people who are concerned about how it will be enforced and if people will listen.
So I think what's going to be difficult is to actually have stores or places enforcing it. That's where I think it's going to be challenging, because I think that some people just don't want to do it.
Now, here in the state, the numbers are still looking promising, and according to the state, the positivity rate is still below 5%, but the governor said the state is still not ready to move into phase 3. He's putting a pause on the reopening plan until he and his team believe it's smart to move forward. Live in Towson, Ray Strickland, WMAR 2 News.